this woman, she was pregnant, like her, and she was doing this song. I mean, what do you call it? Toyi Toyi.
Yeah, it's Toyi Toyi.
Toyi Toyi.
Toyi Toyi. This is a song where you're dancing. The way we're dancing, we're like lifting our legs up. It's kind of like a... It's
a liberation dance. Liberation dance.
Woman, this is when Zimbabwe get independence from Britain, from British people. So these are our people. And I was young. You know, I was born 1970. This is 1980. And then this woman, she was like that. The men, we have been in the war and the whole community. I mean, we're getting our country back. I mean, she will go, remember when I opened the space?
Yeah.
Like that. Oh, pick up your legs. You can't tell me what time. She's leading all these guys with the pregnant like that. You know, are you tired? Are you telling me, are you tired? And she's like that. I was young. I didn't understand. We were just men like you guys young. You know, it's like the Republicans, and the Democrats. This is the Obama. Everybody's marching Zimbabwe. We're taking back our country. Everybody's in the street. Okay. And go right there. And wow. Right there. She's in command. In command. You know, she was pregnant from the ones that she's in command and doing that. I was like, wow. But now because I've been here, I understand more what the story was like. I is pregnant. All the people died during that war. We were getting our country back. It's right here, right there. How can you want to do that and have somebody killed? How can you want to do that and have them starve? We're here. We all came like that. So this song, you know, also, we have the whole story. She's right there saying the story.
Yeah, that's it.
Because when I do that song, that's what I saw when I was young. I mean, that powerful woman.
7 years?
8 years.
8 years, wow.
And already I've been dancing this traditional music already. From being banned and not doing that. My parents were doing ceremonies and stuff and I was national dance companies. But really, this song, Toyi Toyi. Toyi Toyi is let's march for our freedom.
Yeah.
She was marching for freedom. For the baby. And say, you guys, look at who I am right now.
I'm marching and you guys are
Here with me.
My baby's
We all
marching
came.
too.
That's the name, Toyi Toyi.
Toyi Toyi.
Yeah, so when Ronnie was saying, when Ronnie was like, Maneta, like it's
Are
like,
you tired?
he was just singing the same exact thing that lady
That's
was
what he
singing.
said. We can't be tired now. We are tired of being killed and the war is suffering. But now we're marching for our freedom.
Now
We get tired.
And our
We're
children's
celebrating.
And children's freedom too.
So many women were pregnant, so many fathers who want to make that happen. This is it. You don't want this again.
Tien,